Priyanka, when Sanjay Sir
Sanjay,
directed
Sonu पे
Bajirao Mastani, he had Salman Khan
सोनू पे
and
सोनू पे
Aishwarya Rai. Salman also said that it's very unfortunate that he couldn't do this movie. Do you think Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone can upstage the chemistry that perhaps Salman and Aishwarya could have created?
Jeez, that's such a convoluted question. First, I have to imagine them playing these parts. Then I have to imagine these two upstaging. बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, इतना वक्त नहीं मेरे पास, मेरी फ्लाइट है 1 बजे. मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि रणवीर और दीपिका से बेहतर बाजीराव और मस्तानी कोई नहीं प्ले कर सकते थे. और अगर 12 साल के बाद 12 साल लगे इस फिल्म को बनने में, और मैं हमेशा सच में ये बिलीव करती हूँ, और आप लोगों ने मेरे करियर को विटनेस किया है. बहुत सारी ऐसी फिल्में हैं जो मैंने की हैं, बहुत सारी ऐसी फिल्में जो किसी और को करनी थी जो मैंने की हैं. लेकिन जब फिल्म बनती है ना और चलती है, उसमें नाम जो जिसका आता है क्रेडिट्स पे, फिल्म उसकी होती है.
It's a well-known fact that Sanjay Leela Bhansali had Salman Khan for the role of Peshwa Bajirao in mind when he had planned to make Bajirao Mastani ages back, a role that is being done by Ranveer Singh now. Though it has been years, it seems that Salman is still regretting not being a part of the film. On the last episode of Bigg Boss Season 9, when Ranveer came on the sets of the show to promote his film, Salman admitted that he regrets not doing the role. Pulling Singh's leg, Salman said, "I hope I had been doing this film so that I could be here to promote my own film on my show while Shah Rukh Khan would come here to promote his film Dilwale." Salman will be next seen playing a wrestler from Haryana in YRF flick Sultan, which is slated to release on Eid next year.
One thing that we have been looking forward for the past seasons and which has not happened is perhaps your reunion with Shah Rukh on Bigg Boss. He has always had a film to be released. So will we see it happen this time? Because you have always been extending an invitation. He has also been open to coming and promoting his film on Bigg Boss. So a film with you and Shah Rukh is not a possibility. So at least a reunion on Bigg
No,
Boss.
film with him and me on the same day is a possibility.
But what about on Bigg Boss? Dilwale is also coming up.
No, I don't think. He'll be busy to go inside. No, I don't think he'll go in. Oh, you're done promoting?
सलमान इस तरफ
No, I would love him. I would love him to now see. He knows that I don't mean it. It means if he has the dates and if he wants to come onto the show, he's more than welcome. If he wants to come and go and spend some time with the contestants, he's more than welcome. So I would put it as this, not as I would love him and I want him to come on the show and stuff like that, because then it's carried away in a different thing and there's pressure put there. So he's coming, he should come, he should promote, come have fun, go inside, chit chat with the contestants, give them, his life's experience. He's got a lot of experience in life, and then that's it.